15 Safe DIY Tips for Pregnancy, Self-Care and Natural Support. Pregnant Woman 1. Eat a balanced, nutritious diet. Include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein, and dairy. Eat small, frequent meals to manage nausea and support baby's growth. Pill 2. Take prenatal vitamins, especially folic acid, iron, calcium, and DHA. Supports baby's brain and spinal development. Droplet 3. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. Helps prevent constipation, swelling, and UTIs. Person in lotus position female sign 4. Do prenatal yoga or light stretching. Helps with flexibility, posture, and stress relief. Avoid lying on your back after the first trimester. Chair 5. Use a pregnancy pillow. Supports your belly and back while sleeping. Helps reduce discomfort and improve sleep quality. Ledger 6. Keep a pregnancy journal. Track milestones, baby kicks, cravings, and mood changes. Great for emotional bonding and future memories. Person walking female sign 7. Go for daily walks. Gentle exercise boosts circulation and reduces fatigue. Helps prepare your body for labor. Blossom 8. Use natural oils for skin. Coconut oil, shea butter, or almond oil help with itchy skin and stretch marks. Do a patch test before applying. Relieved face 9. Practice deep breathing and meditation. Helps reduce anxiety, improve oxygen flow to the baby. Try 5 to 10 minutes daily of quiet breathing. Teacup without handle 10. Drink herbal teas, with doctor approval. Ginger tea for nausea, chamomile for sleep, in moderation. Avoid unsafe herbs like pennyroyal, licorice root, or aloe vera. Shower 11. Take warm baths, not hot. Soothes back pain and swollen feet. Add Epsom salt for extra comfort, not too hot or long. Running shoe 12. Wear comfortable shoes. Choose shoes with support to avoid back and leg pain. Avoid high heels during pregnancy. 13. Maintain good oral hygiene. Brush twice daily and floss. Pregnancy hormones can increase the risk of gum disease. Basket 14. Prepare a DIY birth bag. Pack essentials early: clothes, toiletries, snacks, baby items. Helps reduce stress in the last trimester. Books 15. Educate yourself about labor and breastfeeding. Watch videos, read books, attend virtual classes. DIY knowledge builds confidence and reduces fear.